Day 5 for Army Recognition editorial team at the Warrior Competition 2016 in KASOTC, the International Special Forces Training Camp in Jordan. Today is the last event of the competition, the King's Challenge. Only the top 15 teams are able to participate.
This last event is called the King's Challenge, and it's basically a signature event for the Warrior competition. It's a 5-person event. They start together at the ropes. Basically what they do there is before they start the event, they'll get a mission briefing and they'll have to use their own team planning. So they'll get 10 minutes to plan. Once they get their plan finalized, then they'll start. They'll climb the ropes. Once they get all the way to the top, one person of that team has to get buddy carried. So they'll pick them up, put them in a fireman's carry, and they'll travel approximately 1,100 meters. To this location right over here. When they get to that location, they'll put that person down, and then another person or the guy they are carrying, it doesn't matter, whoever they designate will go up to the firing line and he'll shoot pistol. 9mm with what we call the dominant hand, which, you know, if you're right-handed, that's your dominant hand. Other hand's your support hand or your weak hand. So he'll shoot one-handed, 6 rounds at one steel plate rack. If they miss one, it's a 1-minute time penalty. Each time they miss, it just adds up. So you can get a maximum of 6-minute time penalty on that first event. As soon as they're done, they'll show that the weapon's clear to the safety, and they'll pick up a 20-liter water jug, 5 gallons basically. And then they'll run from this location up to the next stage, which is stage 2. At the 100-meter GP range, where they'll do a shotgun shoot. Pick one up, they'll load 3 rounds into it, and then they'll shoot 3 clay pigeon targets. Same time penalties. If they miss one, it assesses a 1-minute time penalty. As soon as they shoot all 3 rounds, they'll show that the weapon's clear, put it down on the table. They'll move back, they'll pick up a big tire, and then the team will carry the tire from stage 2 to stage 3, which is about 600 meters. When they arrive at stage 3, the designated shooter will pick up an M6A2 rifle with an ACOG sight on it, advanced combat optical gun sight, and they'll engage 6 steel small targets, 6 rounds again, same time penalties. Once they get done shooting the rifle there, they'll show it's clear again, and then they'll everyone on the team will pick up a sandbag, head back down the hill. They'll run a 5 obstacle course. Each man will be carrying the sandbag all the way through, and 2 of the obstacles have water on them. So The first one, which is a wall, has a water hose which drips on them, makes it a little bit more slippery. And then the low crawl has a water hose over top of it, so when they crawl through the, they're crawling through the mud. So basically, I was trying to cool these guys off a little bit. And then they'll follow the marked route all the way up to the sniper position, where one of their teammates will be waiting with a sniper system. They'll have 3 rounds there as well, and they'll be shooting at roughly 300 meters. So they'll have 3 rounds, 3 targets, same time penalties assessed if they miss. They'll pick up the ammo can, the ones over here. It's about 30 pounds. They're all the same weight. We put concrete in all of them, so they're consistent. And then they'll carry that all the way back here on the last leg of the route, which is almost 1,900 meters. So it's a pretty good distance. So as you can see, when they get here, they're pretty tired, which is the final stage right here. Same distance on the pistol shoot, 10 meters. They'll be shooting a 45 caliber ACP, one of the King's signature pistols that are built here at KASOTC. And they'll shoot 6 rounds with what we call the support hand, the opposite hand that they're used to shooting with. Once they shoot all 6 rounds, they'll meet up with the team in the marked area, and then they'll be finished and the time will stop. I was pretty impressed. Most of the teams, they came in excellent times. I was estimating about an hour per team, and the really fast times were right around 45 minutes, which is, about 3.4 miles with all the obstacles and weight. That's pretty good time. That's cruising.